Right, today I'm reviewing Olli and Lissa, as suggested by Murdered Smittens. I did have, I think it was the sequel to this in the day. I can't remember this one. It might have been this one, I don't know. I was surprised. What the hell happened then? Anyway, this is Olli and Lissa. I don't know why I got game over then. Maybe I ran out of time or something. Ouch! Oh! Right, this is Olli and Lissa. So basically, you start as this little funny man. Now, watch out for these baddies. Oh, you biff. So you can't. I take it you can't fall from heights then. Fuck's sake. This is annoying, this game is, I tell you now. Hey, he's fast. Forget that. Game over. I don't understand why I got game over. Not this again. No, don't hit me! Let's start again. Right, I'm gonna figure this out now. You can't shoot, so you can't get rid of the baddies. So the only way is to jump over. But I can't see how I can do that. Maybe I'm going about it the wrong way. I'm gonna try going up here. Yeah, okay. Why do I keep starting? I need to get that goddamn cup thing. It's that ghost up there wants to. But I don't know how I'm supposed to get past him. Oh, don't hit me. Please don't hit me. Please don't hit me. Please don't hit me. You bastard ghost! How dare you hit me with that broom? I can't believe you could be so spiteful. Hey, I got past him. Now I've got to try and take it to the ghost up there. Watch it out for. Shift out the way because I ain't got much time. Yes. Yay. Ooh. Now what? I want to take him a diamond there. But where's the diamond? I don't know. This game's pretty annoying, to be honest. Quite old. I actually thought this game was made in made by Cardmasters, but I was wrong. It's not. Made by a different company. Anyway, this is Olli and Lissa. Very frustrating, very hard. Good graphics. I'm gonna give Olli and Lissa a 7 out of 10. Goodbye.